Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, confirm the cable type and inspect both ends for damage. Plug the correct end into your device first, because orientation is reversible but debris can block contacts. Next, choose a power source rated for your device. Higher wattage chargers use USB power delivery to speed charging. Once done, align connector gently, don't force it, and fully seat the plug until you feel a slight click or resistance. This prevents misalignment damage and ensures proper power negotiation. You should verify negotiation between charger and device. Check the screen for a charging icon or a battery percentage change within a minute. If your device and charger support USB PD, they will negotiate voltage and current automatically. That's why using a proper charger matters. Make sure the cable is fully inserted and not kinked, and if fast charging isn't active, unplug and reinsert to reset negotiation. Also, prioritize direct connections rather than chaining cheap adapters. You complete the session by safely disconnecting. Grip the connector housing and pull straight out, avoiding yanks on the cable. After charging, let the device rest a minute before heavy use. This protects battery health. If you ever encounter issues, no charge or slow charge, try a different certified cable and another known good charger or port to isolate the fault. That one troubleshooting tip is key. Swap components systematically to find whether cable, charger, or device is at fault, and stop using damaged parts immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.